Let's walk you through how to submit a cancer insurance claim on the PSPRS STARS Platform. Once you've logged into your STARS platform, on the left-hand menu bar, you'll click on Cancer Insurance. Here's where you'll see all of your active and terminated policies. You'll then click Cancer Claims in the left menu bar. Here you'll see the advanced reimbursement schedule, as well as any claims that you might have. You'll click Submit a Claim. You'll always click on the policy that does not have a stop date. You'll then go down and you'll hit Next. You'll click the drop-down option and select what applies. You'll click and add your service date and the charged amount. You'll go down and hit Next. Here's where you'll add the required documentation. You'll go down and you're going to hit Next. Here's where you can review the information, the benefit details, and the documents. You'll click Confirm. You have successfully submitted a claim. The claim will populate under the Claims section. It'll have a claim date as well as a progress indicator bar. Like and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the PSPRS STARS platform.